Most forex traders are either guessing the market, chasing price, or just following the crowd. But right here, we don't do that. We track the big institutional players and do what they do. Today, I'm finally showing you the face behind Tom's Capital and why our channel is different. I'm Ola. I'm a Nigerian trader. You can call me Mr. Toms or simply Mr. T. I've been behind this channel for a while now, dishing out knowledge-packed forex lessons and breaking down the forex market using faceless videos. But today, I've decided it's time for you to see the trader behind the analysis. This is actually my first time presenting in front of a camera. It's a tough decision that I made to step out of my comfort zone. So let me know if I'm doing the right thing in the comment section. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome to Tom's Capital, where we trade the forex market with market facts and institutional figures, which enable us to see the market with the eyes of a true smart money trader. On this channel, you won't find guesswork. We don't do that. You won't find random indicators. Our indicators are proprietary, and you definitely won't find hype. What you will find is real market breakdowns using time cycle, price cycle, contract cycle, fundamental analysis, and most importantly, institutional order structure. You will also find more fact-based lessons about how the market actually works. I'm not a billionaire forex guru. I'm just a forex trader like you with access to some real information. We all still learn from the market and the big players every day, since consistency in trading doesn't come from luck, it comes from understanding, which you can only get when you have knowledge. I'm here to share mine with you, so if you've ever felt like the market is manipulated, you're not wrong. You're just looking at it from a wrong perspective. If you are ready to change your perspective on the market, stop trading like the crowd and start seeing the market like a smart trader, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss out on our videos, because this is just the beginning. Once again, you're welcome to Tom's Capital, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.